Now, as the global community prepares for World AIDS Day on December 1st, the National Agency for the Control of AIDS is rolling out a week of activities under the theme Overcoming Disruptions, Sustaining Nigeria's HIV Response. The report.
The week opens a space to raise awareness, support people living with HIV, and restate Nigeria's goal of ending AIDS as a public health threat by 2030.
We have good stories because the theme for this year is overcoming disruptions. And we thank God, just as it's been alluded and testified to by the patient committee themselves, that we have a listening government, we have a responsible government, we have a responsive government, and we are overcoming disruptions. Overcoming disruption, sustaining Nigeria's HIV response is not just a slogan, it is actually a strategic priority. It is a declaration of resilience as a government. Over the past years, like the rest of the world, we faced significant disruptions, particularly recently with the changing global funding landscape.
Civil society groups joined the event, including NEP1 and ASH1. Their leaders spoke on government support and the need for a stigma-free environment for people living with HIV.
Looking at the theme, overcoming disruption, as we all know, at the beginning of this year, it was a hell, not for only Nigeria, but for the entire world. But one significant achievement, and that made us to stand proud to be a Nigerian, is the commitment of the federal government. I want to inform you that in the midst of all this, I received a personal note from the Honorable Coordinating Minister for Health and Social Welfare, informing us directly about the effort of Mr. President for approving 200 billion naira. 200 billion naira in the 2025 appropriation to tackle HIV, TB, and malaria.
And in sustaining the response, it calls for so many things that we need to do. And it's all about the money, but it's all about the intention and the commitment that we need to do. And then putting it in mind also who are the real beneficiaries and the people that we need to provide this necessary support to end AIDS. We have had so many cares, we have had so many support, treatments available. But even as of today, people are still dying as a result of AIDS. So we need to also set our mind on that, to know that there are a lot that we need to do together.
Gokwim Sayulnen 20, living with HIV, shared a short message urging compassion and reminding Nigerians that many people struggle quietly.
Okay, so the experience has been really vast. I don't think a short interview can take it, but yeah, it has been cumbersome. It has been a roller coaster, and also it has been inspiring living HIV. And I've been living with HIV for the past 20 years now, and living with it has really taught me a lot, that you have to give in order to receive, and you have to just be compassionate to people around you. Imagine if you're not living HIV, you wouldn't know what another person is going through, right? And then you living HIV, you now see the world in a bigger form, that you have to show love no matter what it is, because you don't know who is living HIV, right? And it's not written on the face. So you have to treat people with compassion, with love, with understanding, and also see people in a bigger way rather than just discriminating and stigmatizing people.
The event ended with the unveiling of the 2025 World AIDS Day theme, Overcoming Disruption, and the distribution of free HIV self-testing kits. NACA says the goal now is to sustain momentum and make sure no one is left behind. As the week continues, Nigerians are encouraged to use the free testing kit and know their status. Tanti Azal, Trust TV News, Abuja.